who do we have here today?
So this is Pratap.
And
Joel.
what are we doing, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes. Whose idea was this?
I'm really excited of doing this one today. So.
Scared?
No, I mean...
Just excited?
I'm really excited, yeah.
Whose idea was this?
My friend.
And he's not even jumping.
I mean, he already did from here.
Yeah, but that doesn't count. He's not jumping today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I'm excited.
Yeah.
It was always my dream, but finally today I'm gonna do this.
We're gonna go rock a skydive. Last words, final comments, confessions before we go if we don't make it.
We'll make it, I'm sure.
I'm quite nervous, but excited too.
We're gonna have fun. High five. High five. Here we go, guys. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, you ready for this? Let's get in, up, out of this airplane, go have some fun in the sky. Y'all are crazy. High five. High five. High five. Here we go. Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yes, sir. Amazing.
Pull this one down. Look at the camera.
Wow.
Woo!
Yay!
Up. Yeah, pull the left one. Pull it hard all the way down. Woo! Hands up. Jump. All right, we made it back. We're watching your buddy land. What do you think?
Sure, yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? There he is.
Whoa.
Made it back. You gonna do that again?
Sure, I'll have to.
You did great, man. Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!